Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take Cheap. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can lock your Netflix profile. So I'll be teaching you very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Netflix app, or you can go with your Netflix website and then log in with your account. Once you do it, then just go to the profile that you used to log in, or let's say watch Netflix. Then you'll be over here. Once you're over here, just go to your top right corner to your profile, and then the drop down menu will be pop up, and then just go to account from here. Once you go over here, then go to your left hand side and go to profiles, and then all the way down to your profile, and on your top you'll be having option which says profile lock. Require a pin to access this profile. Just go with it and then confirm your password, continue it, and then once you press this, you tick the box like this, you'll be asked the pin. Just enter your pin, any pin. You can enter any pin and just save it, and your profile will be locked. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.